In the same city, two superstores open their doors every morning. Both sell the same products. Both have loyal customers. But only one will truly grow. Meet Mr. Raj, the first store owner. He believes business is simple: buy products, sell them, and make profit. Why pay for analytics? He says. I know my store better than any data. Every night, he counts stock manually. Every week, he guesses which product sells the most. He trusts his instincts, not his data, but his shelves tell a different story. Overstock here, shortages there, losses everywhere. Now me, Mr. Arev, owner of another superstore just across the street. He thinks differently. If I can understand my data, I can understand my business. He knows data holds the secret, but he needs help unlocking it. So he searches on LinkedIn. HiLyst Analytics Firm. He writes to contact.hilyst @gmail.com, explaining his challenges. Within hours, the HiLyst team responds. Experts in ETL automation, data engineering, and powered by visualization take charge. They start connecting his store's billing system, inventory data, and sales reports all into one centralized data model. A professional automated ETL pipeline is built to clean, transform, and refresh data every few minutes. Then, a dynamic Power BI dashboard is deployed. Sales, profits, customer trends, stock alerts, all live, all real-time. Arov's entire business is now visible on one screen. He knows which warehouse is running low, which product sells faster, and why. His dashboard even predicts next month's growth using AI-based forecasting, and his phone now receives automated WhatsApp and email alerts, powered by HiLyst's smart notification system. Meanwhile, Raj still uses his old notebooks and spreadsheets. He wastes hours trying to understand last month's sales. Customers complain about out-of-stock items. He blames the market, not his data gap. While Arev's superstore doubles its revenue, Raj is still struggling to balance stock and supply. Every week, Arev now consults with the HiLyst Analytics team. Together, they analyze trends, forecast demand, and design new automation work. HiLyst builds him a custom AI assistant dashboard, one that responds to voice commands, sends daily insights, and tracks performance automatically. Arev is no longer running a store, he's running a data-driven enterprise. Two store owners, two choices. One, trusted instinct. The other, trusted insight. One stayed where he was. The other built his future. The difference? HiLyst. In today's world, data isn't just numbers, it's intelligence. It's automation. It's the roadmap to success. Whether you're a startup, a restaurant, or a superstore, your data holds the power to change your story. Let your data speak. Let your business grow. Connect with HiLyst Analytics Firm today. Contact.hilyst @gmail.com. HiLyst, turning data into direction.